Should you lock up your savings in a Popular Direct CD? That's the question we're tackling today, and the answer, as always in finance, is a little complicated. You've probably seen the headline-grabbing annual percentage yields, or APYs, and felt the magnetic pull of a secure investment. A certificate of deposit, or CD, is a time-tested tool. You deposit a lump sum for a fixed term, say, 1 year or 3 years, and in exchange, the bank promises a guaranteed, fixed interest rate. It's safe, predictable, and your money is FDIC insured up to the legal limit. In the world of investing, this is the reliable tortoise. Now, let's talk about Popular Direct specifically. They are an online-only division of Popular Bank, and they've made a name for themselves by offering consistently competitive CD rates. When you look at the typical CD market, Popular Direct's rates often sit right at the top of the pile, which is why they get so much attention. But here's the crucial context: that high APY often comes with a major caveat. Popular Direct CDs typically require a much higher minimum opening deposit than most competitors. We're talking a 5-figure minimum, which is a significant barrier for many savers. If you don't have that much cash to lock away, this CD simply isn't an option. Plus, you need to consider the trade-offs. The higher the APY, the better, but CDs are inherently restrictive. If you need to access your money before the term is up, you'll face a stiff early withdrawal penalty, which can easily eat into all the interest you've earned, or even a bit of your principal. Also, because the rate is fixed, you miss out if market interest rates rise significantly after you open the account. So, is a Popular Direct CD a good investment? It is excellent if you have a significant sum of cash you won't need for the full term, you're primarily looking for safety and predictability, and you want to lock in a top-tier rate for that specific time period. It is not a good fit if you are new to saving, don't meet the high minimum deposit, or anticipate even a small chance of needing the money early. In those cases, a high-yield savings account, which Popular Direct also offers, by the way, or a CD with a lower minimum deposit from another bank would be a much better choice. Ultimately, Popular Direct CDs are a great tool for a specific type of saver, but they are far from the only good option. Always compare the APY, the minimum deposit, and the early withdrawal penalty against your own financial needs before you commit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.